Okay, so a very good afternoon to everyone who are there in the meeting. So my name is Dhruv Mehta and I am the project admin and the mentor of the project Androiders Buddy. And this is our final presentation for our project. So let's start. Please next. So the members of our project, the mentees are Jyoti, Vatsal and Akansha. Next. So introduction of the project. So like this project is like a very own readable repository where you get to learn about Android related topics. It acts like an online directory where you can the mentees get an opportunity by coding of working hands on by coding an entire app based on that particular topic, thus giving them a practical experience of using that knowledge which they learned. And they need to work on Android Studio and then build an app to showcase whatever they have learned. And we have divided the project into two main sections, like the UI XML, which are the widgets part of the Android Studio, and the Java coding, the core Java coding concepts. So next. Now coming on to the motivation for the project. So the motivation of the project was like we all know that in today's world, being like those who are interested into mobile app development, so having a knowledge of Android Studio is really like having a good knowledge of Android Studio is a demanding thing in today's world. So we wanted to create a project in which they can learn about this. So therefore, we developed this beginner-friendly project aimed to make beginners in Android development get the knowledge of the basic topic and concepts of Android Studio. And also one more thing for in including in the motivation is that this project acts as an first-time contribution. So there are many issues which are labeled as good first-time issues. Hence, people who are new to open source contributions can also contribute to this repo. That was our main motivation. Next, now Jyoti will tell the implementation details.
Yeah, so am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, so basically, in implementation details, we have followed a weekly practice where the issues of Android topics will be created on every Friday, and the mentee need to worked on the issue. The mentee work on the issue by practically coding an entire app which is targeted toward demonstrating use case scenario of that Android Studio related topic. Mentee need to send a PR having three files, that is XML, Java, and screenshot before creation of new issues in the next week. Screenshot of the app which showcases use of the particular Android Studio topic should be submitted before the next week. So as I mentioned, uh, this is the screenshot of the issues created on a particular week. These are the pull requests that are created by mentees, and these are the three files, that is Java, XML, and screenshot. Yeah, so proposed schedule and where we finished. So we like to bring it to your notice that about the fact that we have finished the project as per mentioned earlier in the submitted proposal. Now if you head now you can head to our repo. You will find a curated list of Android projects under UI and Java folder. It can be used in future by any beginner who is learning Android development to have a practical based learning. So more important details will be shared by Dhruv.
Yeah. So coming on to the novelty, so there is as such no novelty in the finished project because you can find many platforms which will teach you about Android Studio, and there are many online learning platforms related to it. But the idea of making this as a GitHub repo and giving them a hands-on opportunity to work on Android Studio and then submitting up PRs and then giving them this entire explanation. So this in itself, the idea is a novelty. The online learning platforms, they only give code files and explain in text format, but a project like this stands out because this project demands you to practically work on Android Studio, build an app by using that topic, and then send it as a PR to us. So the practical experience is the novelty part. And secondly, now we'll show you the working demo, like we'll share you the GitHub repo. So let's check that out. Can you please open it? So, like as you can see, we have two major folders, Java and UI XML. Please click on Java. Now, as you can see, there are topics listed which are core Java topics. Like for example, we have activity lifecycle, we have Android fragments and explicit intent, JSON parser. So we have everything in it. We'll show you a demo. Please open activity lifecycle. As you can see, there are three folders in it. One is the Java. The main Java file is in it. The main activity.java and other Java files. Screenshots of the app. Kindly open the screenshots. So we have also told them to upload a screenshot of the screen on which they have worked to give us a proper over, so to give the user who is seeing the repo for the first time that this should be the uh, output of the following code and the following implementation of the topic. Go back, go back. And similarly, we have the UI XML part. As you can see, there are mainly widgets topic here. So this is our repo. Now get back to the presentation. So this was the working demo. You can check it out. Now the next slide.
Yeah, so future work and goal. So basically, we have thought of having a mini project by mentees, but due to some time constant, we were unable to do that. So in future, we are planning to have some basic app which is made up of the topics that the mentees have already studied. Also, we are planning to integrate all the resources and files in a website or app for easy access. Yeah. So thank you.
Yeah, so on a concluding note, I would like to first of all, I would like to thank you for giving us a big opportunity for participating in this open source event. Thanks to the PSOC team and the organizers, everyone. And also, as the mentor and project admin of this project, I am really happy and appreciate the work of all the mentees and thank them for contributing to this project. Uh, a round of applause to them. And lastly, one more thing, it's my pleasure, like as told by Jyoti already, that we have successfully completed the project up till the point which I mentioned in the project proposal. So, like, we are ending on a good note. So, really good, a really good experience. Thank you, everyone.